The shipping is horrible. Just hair in box, no net. Raw extensions is an investment. Yeah, count your days. Let's get into it because I got a little bit of beef. This is Marvaluxe Hair. I've been following her brand for about a year and a half, and I've been hesitant to buy raw extensions because people be finessing. Raw extensions are expensive. The packaging is beautiful. Beautiful packaging. The hair is thick, it's full from the weft to the ends. Love that. It tells you the texture, the length, and the color. Super cute, super cute. But if I'm spending almost $600, why is my hair not coming in a net? Why are they just coming in a box? Am I missing something? No cute bag, no net, no, just straight dropped it in the box. Like, maybe instead of spending so much money on the beautiful packaging, because it is beautiful, it's very, very beautiful, maybe put a net around the hair. Maybe a little cute satin bag. I'm not asking for a wig band and a curling iron and a pair of lashes. I'm not asking for all of those. I'm just asking for you to package my hair correctly. That's all I want. Shipping is horrible. Shipping is horrible. The hair took about 2 to 3 weeks to get to me. Processing time alone is 7 to 10 days. Business days. They take every single business day. They are not shipping it until that 10th day, okay? After the 7 to 10 business days, there were still no updates. Nothing. At this point, I'm irritated, but I'm gonna give a little grace. I email her again, hey, how are you? I hope all is well. My package, it's been at a standstill for about 4 or 5 days. Crickets. Nothing. I ordered on the 16th. The shipment was on its way on the 28th of May. I didn't get it until the 7th of June. The shipping is trash. The shipping is trash. And when I'm making big purchase like this, I either one, put it on a credit card, my Chase credit card, because I know that Chase is going to give me my money back if something happens, right? Or I two, which what I did with this, I tried to pay with my Chase credit card and it wouldn't let me. And I know that I have money on my Chase, but that's neither here nor there. If I can't pay with a Chase or a credit card that's going to give me my money back guaranteed if something happens to the package, I'm going to do a third-party website like Klarna or Afterpay, because they will pay the person or the company and I pay them, so they get their money from me. If I don't get my package, I'm not paying you guys. The problem I have is the communication with the consumer. I'm spending a lot of money. These are not cheap bundles. They are not cheap. And for you to go ghost, and I'm asking you when it's going to be updated, and for you not to say nothing, for the team not to say nothing, because I don't know if it's just an individual person or if it's a team or if it's a group. I don't know. A company is messed up. The shipping is just horrible, and it makes me not want to buy again. And I know that other people are going to sell her out. She doesn't need my dollars. She's going to get paid, period. All of that to be said, I'm not trying to bash the company because the hair is good quality. It didn't have any residue in the water. It wasn't brown, it wasn't yellow. The suds and the bubbles on the hair when washing it, that was white, so that's a good sign. The hair is great. It has no smell. I like the hair. This is how they look straight out of the box. Very thick from the weft to the ends. Very, very thick. She's thick. This is the other 24-inch. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So pretty. This is my 20-inch bundle, and this is how she looks after she's been washed and air dried. Inside the box, it does come with a card, but I don't know where it's at. It does say that you have to wash the hair with specific products. So I got these from Amazon, and they both together were like $17–20. So I know the big bottles are expensive. This, just for comparison, this is how it looks once it's washed and air dry, and this is how it looks when it comes straight out of the box. Before I let you guys go, let me show you how much I spent on Marvaluxe hair. And then my discount is right there. Is that too much for bundles? Y'all let me know, let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know. I saved $60 and shipping was $10. And that's another thing. Why do I have to pay for shipping if I just spent almost damn near $600 with you? Why do I have to pay for shipping? For what? Like, you're being greedy at that point. You're being greedy. Do I recommend the brand? I want to say yes, but then I want to say no because of the shipping and the customer service. But the hair is good quality. The hair is good quality thus far. Thus far. We're going to see once we install these beautiful smelling bundles from Marvaluxe Hair. So I'll see you then. I'm gonna take y'all with me.